Hello everyone and welcome back to the Learning K-12 channel. In this channel, we find out common problems in math and science and try to figure out their simple and easy solutions. Lately in our videos, we have discussed about what is fraction, what are the different types of fractions, what is LCM and how to calculate it, and why, what is the importance of LCM. Now we will apply all this knowledge to understand how to add fractions. First, let us understand that the fractions which have same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 5, 4 by 5, 8 by 5, etc. And the fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 1 by 7, etc. So how do we add all these fractions? The first rule for addition of fraction is to make a common denominator of all the addends. Like fractions have a common denominator already. So to add them, we just need to add their numerators and write the denominator as it is. For example, 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 7 by 5. But to add unlike fractions, first we need to find a common denominator for all the addends. And there comes the role of LCM in picture. Let us understand this with an example. Find the sum of 4 by 8 and 3 by 4. As we can see, the denominators of the two fractions given are 8 and 4. To find their sum, we must find a common denominator for both. How do we do that? We need to think about a number that is a common multiple of both the numbers given. The best way to do this is to apply our knowledge of LCM and find the least common multiple for the number 8 and 4. Now, the LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. So, the common denominator found in this case is 8. Now let us resolve this problem step by step. Step number 1. Find the common denominator for addends, of course with the help of LCM. In this case the LCM is 8. Step number 2. Convert each addend to its equivalent fraction while keeping the LCM as the denominator. In our example, first addend is 4 by 8, which has already the same denominator as LCM. So we don't need to change it into its equivalent form. However, the next addend 3 by 4 needs to be converted into its equivalent fraction in order to bring the same denominator as LCM. Hence, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 and write its equivalent fraction as 6 by 8. Next step, since we have converted our addends into like fractions, we can easily add their numerators and get the sum. Therefore, 4 by 8 plus 6 by 8 is equal to 10 by 8. We can also convert our answer in the simplest equivalent fraction as follows. 10 by 8 is equal to 5 by 4. Now I have two questions for you. 5 by 4 is a proper fraction or improper fraction? And next question is, how do you convert 5 by 4 into a mixed fraction? If you want to review about proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fractions, you can review our old videos. If you have learned something today, then share it with your friends, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Till then, apply your knowledge in correct direction, enjoy and goodbye. So you can always view our videos for what is fraction, what are the different types of fractions, what is LCM and what is the importance of LCM. Bye bye.